How are you? Now we have to completed our first lesson in our science lesson. Now we are going to second lesson. Living things and non-living things. Do you know living things and non-living things differences? Yes, living things can do anything works. Non-living things cannot move, cannot grow, cannot eat, cannot do anything. We have to take and go from here to there. That living things can do all things. One of that, and we have to find out one small examples. I will tell to you. Yes, in world, two children are talking with others. They are talking about their garden. In that they have to put one seed. They have to put one seed in their garden, and they have to see after some days. They have to see small plant will come outside of the soil, and they have to find out what is that. They feel very happy. See, our put a seed in that soil. That plant will coming after few days. We can do a good job. No, they have to feel very happy. Then that two children like Sita, Gita, Asha, Monu, they are talking. They have to talking. Yes, this is the plant is living thing. What is the meaning of living thing? They asked to her sister Asha. Who asked? Moni asked to her sister Asha. Yes, sister. This is that we have to put seed. No, they have to grow to plant. We have to put in soil and we pour in the water to soil means that plant will grow. That type of that we have to ask that what is the living thing means. That her sister said it. Which things have life in them? They are called living things. అంటే వేటిలో జీవం ఉంటుందో వాటిని లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ అంటారు. Those who are not have life, that is called non-living thing. If you this have stick life, no. Why? Because it is a stick. That choppies have life, it can grow, no. Chair will grow, no. Fan will grow, no. Why? Because it is non-living thing. The plant will grow, no. Yes or no? We have to put in seed in the soil. The plant will grow gradually. Then she gives us fruits, flowers. Yes or no? Yes. That's it. We have to learn about our lesson is today. Our topic is living and non-living things. Look here. Which things can have life in them? They are called living things. The things have life in them. They are called living things like plant, animals, human beings. Examples: plants, animals, human beings. Which things cannot have life in them? They are called man-made things or non-living things. Examples: table, chalk, chair, road, car, stick also, choppies also, stand also, duster also, table also, bench also. These are the non-living things. We are our surrounding by so many beautiful things are there. Our surrounding so many beautiful things are there. The nature has given us things. They are called natural things. The nature gives us some things like sun and moon, stars. The sun, the moon, stars and plants and human beings. They are natural things the nature gives us. That is called natural things. Then all natural things are not living things. All the natural things are not living things. No. Why? The sun will grow, no. Stars will grow, no. That's it. All natural things are not living things. All natural things are not living things. Living things can grow, move, take food, breathe, and reproduce, etc. These are the living things can do these. They can move one place to another place. They can grow small to big. They can take food for energy. They can breathe for a live. These are the living things duties. Living things structures. How can they live? Yes, next we have to learn about that living things. How can living things can grow, can move, can breathe, can reproduce, living things can take food and water, living things can feel, living things after die. Now we have to learn about living things can grow. That all the living things are not, all the living things can grow with their passage time and the changes shape and the sizes in that same process. You will also know, last year you have in second class, now this year going to third class. In starting you had in the nursery, and before you had a small baby, now going to grown up. After going to school you have to learn first, second, now third class you have to learn, and bigger, taller, sharper you have to grow. That plants also can grow. That plants also can grow. We have to put one seed in the soil. It may be few days after it go starting to small plant and grown up. Some stems will, that plant will grow big tree. That after he getting that structure of tree, after we getting from it fruits and fruits and flowers, and some plants gives vegetables. Yes or no? And that's also we have that living things can grow. Next, living things can move. Yes, living things can move. Plants also living things, but he cannot move one place to another place, because we have to take from here to there. That put means that plants will grow. But our human beings like birds, animals, these are, it can grow, it can move, like flying, running, walking, studying. They can also move from that place to another. And plants do not have to this thing, but that parts move only here and there, like branches, leaves. When air blows, the plants of leaves can move. And when it is a touch me not plant, we have to go to from near to that plant. It can close that leaves. Yes or no? Is it correct or not? And this is that living things can move. Next one, living things can breathe. Yes, living things can breathe and breathe out of air to live. Without breathing, that living things cannot live. But because the process of taking off in fresh air from that surroundings, the taking of fresh air of surroundings and giving outside of air is known as breathing. What is that? The taking of breathe. The taking of the living things taking off fresh air in that from the surroundings and giving outside, giving outside air, taking inside fresh air, giving outside bad air is called breathing. One more time I am repeating. That process of taking air in fresh air to inside and taking out, giving outside air, bad air is called breathing. That is called breathing. What is that? That living things breathe in and breathe our air to live. The process of breathe, the process of taking in fresh air, the surroundings and giving out our outside of air is called breathing. Next one, reproduce. What is the meaning? Is reproduce. Yes, living thing can give birth to young ones. Living things can give birth to young ones our own. That plants have giving seeds. We have to put in soil. Living things can reproduce that their own kind. Next, food and water. What is that? Food and living things need food and water. Yes, they can live means they have to take food and water. Yes, food and water we are getting energy. We want energy means we have to take food. We drink water every day. We need food too. Plants and animals also need food, water to live. We need food, water to live. Then feel. Living things can feel. All living things feel and react. All living things feel and react when we get hurt. Yes, we have to pinching. We have to giving one slap to others. They have to feel pain on their body. That is called feel. What happens when someone's pinching you? What happens? We feel very pain on them. That is called feel. Next, die. All living things live in a particular number of days. All living things live in a particular number of days of years. Not only days, years. Sorry, not only days, years. That we known as their lifespan. That is known as our lifespan. All living things live for a particular number of years, which is known as their lifespan. That they take birth, grow and die. They take birth, grow and die. This is the life cycle. This is that is living things can do. We have to learn about our living things in this class. You have to do chart, prepare a chart for what are the living things, what are the food items they have to take in. You have to prepare a chart. Okay na children?